In may minuto this, I'm gonna cook adobo with egg. So this is my egg. Brown egg. And this is my meat. And of course, this is my garlic and onion. This is my menu today, adobo. They don't want potato in the adobo eh. They just want egg. Soy, pepper, vinegar, and egg. That's why boiled egg. This is my menu today. We still have vegetable, the pumpkin yesterday. I prefer to eat vegetable than the meat. Because meat is, especially this meat, high in cholesterol. But they always want meat. I prefer to eat vegetable than the meat. The chicken is, I have allergy with chicken. I prefer to eat fish than the meat in chicken. I avoid eating chicken because every time I eat chicken, I have rashes in my body. The rashes will come out in my body, especially in my back. That's why yesterday I cooked pumpkin because I just fried the chicken. I don't have any food for me. That's why I cooked the pumpkin.